Now let's take the structure of the periodic table. When you take the periodic table, you're going to see vertical columns and then horizontal rows. Now the vertical columns are what we call groups. There are 8 main groups. When I say the main groups, I'm talking about the longer ones. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last group is numbered 0. Okay, so there are 8 main groups labeled with Roman numerals I to VII. The final group is labeled 0. Now, each element in a group has the same number of electrons in its valence shell. When we talk about the valence shell, we are talking about the highest energy level, the outermost shell. Okay, so when you take lithium, lithium has atomic number 3. And then sodium has atomic number 11. Now, lithium is going to have 2 shells. The first shell is going to take 2 electrons, and then the second shell is going to take only 1 electron. When you take sodium, sodium is going to have 3 shells. First shell will take 2 electrons. Second shell will take a maximum of 8. When you add 8 to the 2, we get 10. That means we still have 1 more electron, and that will go into the third and final shell. So when I draw it, the third and final shell will take 1 electron. When you take lithium, lithium's outermost shell has 1 electron. Sodium's outermost shell has 1 electron. So elements in a group, each element in a group has the same number of electrons in its valence or outermost shell. Now, this makes the element share similar chemical properties. This makes the elements share similar chemical properties. When you take the first group, another name for them is alkali metals. Alkali metals are very reactive. They react vigorously with water. The second group is made up of alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. When you go to group 7, we have the halogens. And then in the last group, group 0, we have the noble or rare gases.